Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your account has Gemini image creation enabled, and your region supports the model. Once done, verify permissions and any feature flags in the app or API console so you don't hit a silent block. Next, craft a minimal, explicit prompt and include a small test image or a direct URL to avoid upload parsing errors. This first action isolates variables quickly so you can tell whether the platform, prompt, or file is causing the failure. Now you run the core diagnostics, reformat the image to the recommended file type, and keep within size and resolution limits so the model can process it. Then switch to a simple, direct prompt that removes creative ambiguity. Make sure you enable verbose error logging or inspect API response fields. Once that's set, retry both the web interface and an API call. Comparing results shows whether the problem is client-side, network-related, or server-side, so you know what to fix next. Finish by validating success. If the test image generates, slowly reintroduce complexity into your prompt and larger files to confirm consistent behavior. If failures continue, clear caches, rotate credentials, and retry on an alternate endpoint to eliminate transient account or regional issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, capture full logs, include the request ID and timestamps, and open a support ticket. Providing those details, let support trace the failure rather than guessing, which speeds resolution and prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.